Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Adobe Premiere Pro for proxy editing and exports, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Once the application is open, look for the Sign In option on the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Sign In button. A new window will appear prompting you to enter your Adobe ID email address. Type in your email address and click Continue. Next, enter your password in the designated field. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Once logged in, navigate to your project or create a new one. To set up proxy editing, go to the File menu. Select Project Settings, then choose Ingest. In the Ingest settings, check the box next to Ingest. From the drop-down menu, select Create Proxies. Choose a preset for your proxies that suits your needs. Adjust any additional settings as needed, then click OK. Import your media files into the project. Right-click on the media files you want to create proxies for. Select Proxy from the context menu. Then, choose Attach Proxies. A dialog box will open where you can select the files. Once selected, click OK to attach proxies to your media. You will see Premiere start to create proxies in the background. As the proxies are created, you can work with your original high-resolution files. To switch between the proxy and full-resolution files, click on the toggle button in the program monitor. When editing is complete, it's time to export your project. Go to the File menu and select Export, then choose Media. In the Export Settings window, select your desired format. Ensure that the correct preset is selected for your final output. Review your output settings, then click on Export to process the video. After the export is complete, you can find your file in the designated export location. With these steps, you're now equipped to log in and utilize Adobe Premiere Pro for proxy editing and exports effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.